So Dardo pointed out I've got SU-33 on this, and it's supposed to be a SU-27 that we can modify with skins and loadouts later. So I'm going to look at the SU-27, the model we're going to copy, and it is 1605. Okay, and SU-27. I can't use 1605 here because we don't want it to affect the original SU-27, so I'm going to make a copy of 1605 and a copy of the skins so we can adjust it. That screen that just went out, that was me extracting the database. So first off, I'm just going to make a copy of 1605, and let's see. Okay, I just extracted the parents. So I find 1605. And I will copy it out. Okay, 1605. I'm going to copy it, and I'll just put it here for now. I need to look and see where I'm at to add the new ones. I'm working backwards from, I forget what number, but I think it's like 8300. It's around where I'm at. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's somewhere between 83. It's one of these. Going to be the next open one. Okay. So 8298 is my last used one, and so 8297 is my next one that I can use. So I'm going to call it 8297. 8297. And I'm just going to give it one set of skins for now until we see what's going on with this modification. Might have more than one skin later, but we'll just see. Okay, I'm going to open the model and copy the skins and adjust the numbers in here. Anyways, let's see. You can do this with texture set editor. But I'm just going to do it with this real quick. Okay, first I'm just going to delete some these. This is one texture set. You see that the cycle, these are the main skins, and then a light or something, main skins, and then maybe it's a parachute. I think it's a parachute. But so I'm just going to delete one set here and accept, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. Collapse. It takes a while to save because it's such a high poly model. This isn't, you don't have to wait in texture set editor because it doesn't read the model, it just reads the numbers. Okay. Go ahead and open it again. Okay. Okay, 10, 12, and 10, 13 is going to change. We'll just leave the parachute the same. So, got a lot of windows open here. I'm just going to go back to here. I'm going to look at 10, 12, and 10, 13. Going to copy those. And let's see. And I will, okay. Paste. I'm going to name them 9995 and 9996. My empty spaces here. Instead of making the larger numbers, I'm filling in these empty spaces. Can go either way though. Okay, so I'm going to save it. And now when we adjust the skins later, we will be adjusting these two skins to adjust this certain SU-27. So I'm just going to change this to 9996. Oops. Here we go. Well, I could adjust the AGN Theater that I'm using to make a load editor run, but I'm just going to go ahead and use texture set editor. Should have used it to start with. Okay, I got it somewhere here. The thing is, the database I'm using to make load editor run, its last texture is lower than 9996, so anything higher than that will break it. And so what I would have to do is just go back to the AGN Theater, rebuild the database with the highest texture of like 9999 or whatever the highest number is. I'm not going to do that right now. Just going to open this. Okay, we were in 2012. I'll just change it here. 9996 and 9995. And let's see. I haven't used this in a while. I think I hit just one of these save. Don't need to save as XML. Okay, I think it's done. I'll run it again just to see. Okay, yes, it's done. Okay, so going to put this back in the database. I know I got a million folders open. This isn't it. Okay. Gonna put this into the database 4.37 2012. Parents. And I'll build the database. And I can't do it with this open. The database builder won't work if you have got the TE builder open to the same theater. And I've got my texture in here as 999. Even though we've got those high numbers at the end, it still works. Okay, so now I've got to change the XML. That means Falcon Editor, unless you just go in and change the text in the XML, but we're going to do it like this. Okay. Vehicles name SU. Change this one from the SU-33 model to our new model, which is 8297. And it's the same as the regular SU-27, but it's separate, so we can adjust it as needed. Okay. And now that's how I changed that model, and we'll see how it works later.